The world of learning is changing because what we're seeing is a growing tension between two sides. What is called the old world, the world of processes and rules and systems that make things work, and the new world, which is an anarchic world of innovation, exploration and discovery by students and staff. So we're seeing more and more students and staff using web-based services to do things. And yet, as an institution, we need to be able to control and manage the data. We need to have processes and systems in place. And so IT is right in the middle of that. As an IT director in a college or university, you're struggling with managing the old world and enabling the new world. And that challenge is something that is affecting everybody and continues to be something that people have to respond to. So I think technology has got to adapt and change as well. So we've been in a situation where we've had closed networks. We've then had things out on the internet which are out in the wild. And there hasn't been much thought, I think, in the development of technology, how those two things mix. How we have a mix of software and systems within an institution and then web-based services that link to it. And that's where I think the biggest change has got to come, because we've got to be able to see a link between those two things rather than everything either happening out in the wild or happening within our own closed institutional systems. So our challenge is, how do we develop our technology to respond to that change? And there are a number of things that are happening. So we've got our institutional-based systems, things like SharePoint, which allows you to run everything within your institution. But then we've got web-based services, things like the Live EDU service, which is a communication and collaboration system that's there for institutions to use. And then we've got something in the middle, which is a kind of software plus services mix, which is things like SharePoint hosted in the cloud rather than hosted within your institution, but linking back to your own secure data, but enabling services to be used by students out on the internet. So best of both worlds mix, I guess.